Hello, everybody. Doesn't it sound so complicated and pretty hard to obtain when people are saying making informed data driven decisions? I'm Anca, and I am here to make it easy. Do you know what it is all about? Giving people what they want. And how do we know what they want? By asking the right questions, and after, by doing the math. This session is split into three parts. We will speak for a few minutes about the importance of data in marketing and event management, but after, because I believe that the quality of our insights is directly proportional to the quality of the questions we ask, I will share with you the power of one question to ask our event attendees, and I will show you the exact steps to analyze those answers in nothing else but an Excel document. So let's start. Let's talk about data in event marketing. You see, while intuition and expertise have their very important places, there is a new player in town, and it's changing the game entirely, and that is data. The power of data enables us to predict not just what's clickable, but what is impactful. It transforms guesswork into strategy, and we are just starting to discover the ways data can capture attention, but also stimulate engagement. Our way of making decisions is changing as we speak. Those events we find irresistible or the articles we click on without a second thought have behind a marketing genius that also understands data. So let's reconsider together what we know about event marketing, because when it comes to data driven decision making, the possibilities are not just endless, they are measurable. Let's discover together exactly how we can enhance engagement and impact like never before. Let's explore the power of one precise question we can ask our attendees through the registration form and the innovative statistics we can take from it. I call it the Sleepless Index. Let's ask our attendees which of these industry challenges keeps you up at night. The example choices are emerging technologies, digital transformation and adoption, regulatory compliance, talent acquisition, and sustainability and corporate responsibility. The Sleepless Index ranks industry challenges by the percentage of attendees concerned with each. Here it is. This is the graph most event platforms give you as a statistics for this precise question. It is because most all-in-one event platforms have to offer solutions that fit all type of events and clients. Indeed, it highlights the most pressing issue per number of registrants. We can see that our attendees attribute the largest importance to sustainability and corporate responsibility, 31%, immediately followed by digital transformation and adoption with 25%. But we can do more. This is the Excel file I am working on. It has some custom registration fields for an event. I have to say that this information is not real. It's built for the purpose of this speech. So I have 1,300 registrants, fictive registrants for an event. This is the dashboard for the Sleepless Index, yes, from the Excel file that I have. On the left side, there is a menu. On the right side, we can see the graphs. We can immediately see that I have selected both genders to showcase and the experience level for attendees with over 10 years of experience, yes. And the industry challenge, I have selected them all. You can see that it's split. You can see exactly the challenge that they have. Over 10 years, yes. Let's select also the 6 to 10 to make the graph wider. I can see some peaks in the graphs. Those peaks are for females that have over 10 years of experience. Yes. So we can see that in the sustainability and corporate responsibility, the wider interest goes for female attendees. But let's be creative and if we want to see the trends per multiple industry challenges. So here in the first part, we have emerging technologies. So we see that Spain is the leader, yes. So the biggest number of attendees interested in emerging technologies come from Spain. Let's focus just on digital transformation, and we unselect the others. It gives us all the countries from where attendees selected that their industry challenge is digital transformation. Yes, so we can take lots of insights from the way we, yes, ask the questions, but also how we um, prefer to see the information, yes, and we have this instantly. The Sleepless Index can guide the focus of panel discussions, workshops, and keynote topics, ensuring they hit the mark. Let's measure, for example, the top challenge and its impact on professional development, adjusted by years of experience. This statistic assesses the most important concern among attendees, differentiated by their years of experience. It can uncover, for instance, that attendees with less than 5 years of experience are particularly troubled by digital transformation and adoption, indicating a strong inclination towards sessions that offer knowledge in digital skills. In the same time, those with over 10 years of experience might express a significant concern towards sustainability and corporate responsibility, suggesting a desire for advanced sessions that are about integrating sustainable practices. This nuanced understanding allows us to develop sessions finely tuned to the diverse needs and backgrounds of our attendees, ensuring that the content is highly relevant and impactful across the spectrum of professional experience. By using data creatively, we can uncover hidden patterns, predict attendee preferences, and also create amazing event experiences. Remember, the strength of our events lies in our ability to ask the right questions. The right questions can become insights, which can be transformed into real actions. Data is the most powerful tool we have. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to share this video with others. And remember, data are not just numbers, but the voice of our attendees.